sunk your knife so deep under my skin and cut my heart from me. Where did you go? Where's the person you